guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangeline Knight, your sugar baby! Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another opening of Christmas gifts! So today is December 25th na, 25, and it's dahil it's already 1:17 a.m. in the morning. Actually, kakatapos lang ng mga bata mag-open ng gifts. And now, ang gagawin natin is i-open ko ang Christmas gift ko sa sarili ko. Actually, meron din akong Christmas gifts from my husband, pero bukas na natin yun i-open kasi super dami na nga ang gift ko sa sarili ko. Hindi ko na kaya mag-open pa ng mga other gifts galing sa asawa ko. Okay? Dahil magtatagal tapos yan. So, for now, ang akin lang muna. I-prepare ko muna. Kukunin ko muna lahat dahil andito lahat ng mga gifts ko from myself and from my husband. So, prepare ko muna. Diyan lang muna kayo. Mag-intro muna tayo.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Lia B. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Lia B.
Natatawa ako guys dahil akala ko ang regalo ko sa sarili ko, konti lang kasi nga super late na ako nag-order ng mga pang sarili ko. Pero, nung tinignan ko, nung inayos ko na, okay, eto na lang yung natira, nabubuksan ko bukas. Regalo ng asawa ko sa akin. Ayan. And, eto naman ang regalo ko. Ayan. Ang mga regalo ko sa sarili ko. Nagulat ako dun ah. Okay, so now let's start. Okay guys, so now mag-open na tayo ng Christmas gifts. Ang dami. Nakakagulat. So since ito yung nasa harapan ko, ayan. Let's open this one. Alright! Uy! Na-open na yung isa. Diba? So, first na-open na. So, ito yung unahin natin. And I ordered... Tada! Ay, diba? Ang cute, guys. Hey! Ang puti ng paa ko, guys. Dito. Next, we have this one. Oh, diba? Some flats. The same one, but in white. Yeah, this is in white, guys. Kung kanina is beige. Now naman, we have in white. Lastly, we have the black wire. Oh, diba? Pang formal and okay, have some Lakers jacket. Yan, diba guys? Yan o. May mga patches din siya dito sa gilid guys. And sa likod, Lakers. Mahilig din ako mag-jacket guys. So, that's why bumili ako nito. And since NBA and team ng asawa ko, Lakers, bumili po ako. And covered ko. So, may black din siya and may yellow. Is some capsicums. Okay. So, actually, Etong capsy caps are, eto, Lakers. Actually, ito dapat sa asawa ko. Di ba ba? So, ito di ba? Nagay lang sa isang lalagyan. And this one is mine. B. And, tada! It's a boxy, guys, from Loki. And actually, couple yata kami ng asawa ko, as I know. And parang nag-order din siya sa set. And let me show you. This is the Vomero roll in royal blue white. Ayan. Ito medyo mabigat ng konti. Ang tigas ng outsole niya, guys. And pwede siyang pang hiking, guys. Ayan. So, this is the Vomero roll. Tanan! At dahil binigay ko, or binigay, I don't know, yung aking tubigan, tumbler, kay Amelia, bumili ako ng bagong tumbler ko. Tanan! Para hindi na ako nakikiram sa isa dyan. Kasi lagi akong umili ng tubigan niya. Siyempre, kung ano yung sa kanya, akin na rin yun, diba? And, siyempre, color pink, color purple. Taran! And it's in 40 ounce. Dahil kailangan kong uminom ng madaming water.
Ano yun siya?
Taran! Ayan ang aking new shoes na binili. And there's the other one here. Pati yung sa loob. Alam ko na ako. And of course, my favorite color pink. Ayan. Alam kong may maiinggit dyan sa bukas sa akin pag nakita niya to. Kasi nagandahan siya sa sapatos niya. Sa TN niya na orange. Pero pag nakita niya to, say, Mama, I want that too. Diba? TN. Ayan. So, this is the Boosh. So, this is the AF1 collaboration with Kobe and yung football team na FCB. Alright. Ayan, may another pair of laces. This. Diba? Ang ganda! Boosh. Okay. Now we have some Shein, guys. Dami kong ito-try. So this is a nighty dress, new tongs, guys. Let me show you. Ayan. Ganito siya, guys. Boosh! Oh, diba? So, one in gray. We have one in baby blue. Oh my have one in white. Wala akong masyadong white na tong. So, we have one in white. Of course, pink. Hindi mawawala ang pink. Of course, purple din. Hindi din mawawala. We have one in green. Mint green. And this one is in taupe. Like cream brown. This one, ayan. So we have a sandal here. Red with some hearts. Across the likod. And of course, it comes with the short. So, turn na siya. Pantulog. Burgundy color. So, we have another thong here. And it comes with a nighty dress. Or pambahay dress. Alright, this we have a short with pink crown, black short with pink crowns, and the upper crop top, na tank top, princess. Tada! Diba? Pantulog guys. Ang bahay. And it comes also with a short. Very, very cutesy. This is a dress. Diba? Dress with a slit here, guys, sa gilid. Para malasix siya. But in black pink. Pa-cross din siya sa likod. And it comes with a shorty short. It comes with a thong. G-string. And here is the dress. Ito siya guys. And here's the likod. This is the first one. Same with the slit sa gilid guys. This is the likod. And the second one is the same but in color blue. Ta-da! Oh, diba? Did I buy from this one? Pink. And it comes with a short. Diba guys? Pantulog. And this one is another one. Pantulog din. Mickey Mouse. And black. With the shorts. Yan. Very stretchable din naman. And very comfortable yung kanyang tela. Lina. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Ito na siya yung ayan. The perfume. 1 million. Paco Rabanne. Actually guys, etong pabango, na-discover ko to way back 2010. June 2010. Oo. Nung nagpa-Canada ako. Kasi ito yung pabango ng pinsan ko. At nagustuhan ko. So, ayun. Tumatak talaga to sa akin. So, bumili ako. Next one. Pagano yung ganitong pouch. Shein. So, like this. Like this. This is, okay. Cords siya, guys. Ito, backless cords. And yung pambaba niya, pants. na brown. Medium size bergamot. Another one, same cohorts, but this one is like this. May pa-collar siya here. And dito naman yung likod niya. Pag-close, metallic. Backless din siya, and same, it comes with a pants. And this is in navy. Tanan! Romper, guys. Tube romper. And look at siya, guys. And tanan! Short. White short. Ayan. Ito rin yung mga kulang ko eh. Mga white short. Mga ganyan. And tanan! Short. This top, backless top. So, ito, meron na akong ganito, like the gray one and the pink one. And now, bumili naman ako ng black. Off-shoulder, long sleeve dito, guys. Ayan. So, kita yung pa-shoulder neto. And it's cropped up. This is a tank top. Very cutesy in light blue. Diba? We have another pa-off shoulder na long sleeve in burgundy. That's for myself. Next, we have a t-shirt. Shirt, cropped up pa shirt na color red. And then, kulang din sa red na mga t-shirt. Like the baby blue one, but this time it's in yellow. Very cutesy. This, we have two t-shirts. Black. Ayan. Yun lang. Simple lang. And one in white. Ayan. Bumili pa rin ako ng white. So, this one, guys, is pa ganun siya. A backless tank top. Another tank top in navy blue. Ito. Ayan. Ganun siya. Pa-airkiss siya sa likod, guys. Like this. See? And sa front. Ganun. This one is a tank top in orange. Kulang dito sa orange. So, ganito lang siya. This is a bodysuit. Dami dito. Ayan. Ganyan siya. Simple lang, guys. Ayan. So, this, guys, is some reflective laces. Ayan. Bumili lang ko ng reflective laces para sa mga Air Max namin. I-reflective. Okay. So, I have three. One in white. White gray. One in light pink and dark pink. Short. In black. Simple short in black. Ta-da! On Cloud, Roger. In white, orange. Ta-da! Air Force na. On white lang. Diba? So, I bought this triple white Air Force. So, May mga stickers siya dito, guys. As always. And, nakikita. Diba? And this is a crop top. Crop top. Jeez, so diba guys? Angat, diba? Tadan! So, we have this boxy polo. And it comes with a skirt. And this one. So this, guys, is a shoe. Shoe po, guys. Ganito. And fuzzy dito sa harap. And this is the large size. So, order the large size kasi based sa kanila sa mga review. Okay sa akin yung large. So, let's see. So, kapag mag-try on tayo. Shoes. Socks. Okay. Ito dalawa to. So, this are so, ganito siya. It's an organizer para sa ating mga underwear. Mga tibak ko. Since I have a lot of tibak, I ordered 2. Ayan. And, ayan. Ito naman, organizer siya. I bought it para sa aming mga caps na ginagamit and knee caps. So, since I have 2 here already, I can put the 2 caps that we have here. Ayan. This one. So, I don't know how many pwedeng ilagay dito sa loob. But, yeah, looks like this, guys. So, yan. May organizer na tayo. Hindi na sila maalikabukan or kung saan-saan nakalagay. Kasi naka-close siya. Secure. And, of course, may nakikita kung anong cup mo sa loob. Right? Next one. Kaya natin siya. Flat pants. Have a short. It's a terno. And yung upper niya is a hoodie. Ganito. Diba? A terno. So, here's the upper. Like, polo shirt. In gray. And it comes with a very pretty little skirts. Ayan. Skort siya kasi may shorts sa loob. Fine jewelry. And ano to? Silver to, guys. Silver ring. Ayan, silver ring and nasulat. I don't know if you can see. Hindi makita. But nakasulat, Leah B. Okay, so hindi siya kasya dito. So let me hang up. let me find another sample. I can medyo more on here talaga siya. Okay, let's say na tatanggalin ko ito. And sana ayan. BFB. Ito, na makikita ito. I'll be showing you later. More focus. Binilahan ko din ang asawa ko nito. So, this is the in yellow. Yellow purple. Ayan. And comes with 2 other laces, guys. So the other pair is here. Diba? Pati yung papel, guys, fold dito na ito. Okay. Sana. Ayan. Hindi ako ng ibang colorway. Okay. Now on cloud natin. Rosher. And this one is in black white. Kung kanina, white orange. This one naman is in black white. Sana. There goes ilalim. And also may carbon din dito, guys. And lastly, guys, this one, other caps. New Era caps. So we have the Dodger in royal blue. Ayan. And we have the LA in pink. And my patch din dito, guys. See, guys. So we have 2 other new caps. And of course, dahil bago, ilalagay natin dito sa ating panglalagyan. So, diba, guys? Secured ang ating mga caps. Sana. O, diba? 4 na agad yun nandito, guys. So, sana. Sana all. And yeah, guys, that's it for now. Dahil, it's already like what? 2 a.m. na in the morning. So, hindi ko alam kung tatabi ko pa ba ito or ihahayaan ko na lang ito ng ganito at natutulog na kami. Dahil hinaantok na talaga ako. Inopen ko lang yung mga Christmas gift ko para sa akin. And tomorrow, yung gift naman ng aking asawa ang bubuksan ko. Galing sa asawa ko. So, yeah, guys. Lahat ng mga damit, shoes, abang-abang kayo. I'll be doing other videos for the try-ons. So, again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas, everyone. Hope naging happy kayo. Kasama niyo ang inyong family, healthy kayo, and everything. And of course, see you on your next vlog. Love, love, love!